Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure stop loss strategies with TradingView for crypto. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open TradingView and log into your account. Navigate to the chart of the cryptocurrency you wish to set a stop loss for. In the chart view, locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Click on long or short to open a new order box. Enter the desired entry price for your trade. Next, find the stop loss options in the order box. Input the price level where you want to set your stop loss. This price should be below your entry price for long positions and above for short positions. Consider the distance of the stop loss from your entry price based on your risk tolerance. After setting the stop loss price, you can also set a take profit level if desired. Click on Create Order to finalize the trade with the stop loss in place. To manage your stop loss, go to the Orders tab in the trading panel. Find the active order you want to adjust. Click on the pencil icon to edit the stop loss price if needed. Save your changes to ensure the new stop loss is active. Use the Alerts feature in TradingView to notify you when the price approaches your stop loss level. This will help you stay informed about your trade status. Review your stop loss strategy regularly after placing trades. Adjust your stop loss levels based on market conditions and your trading strategy. Consider using trailing stop loss orders for added flexibility. This will allow your stop loss to move with favorable price movements. Keep learning and experimenting with different stop loss strategies for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.